So what's going on with NAKD? The price is still dipping. Are we at the right dip or the last dip for NAKD, or we're still dipping for NAKD? We want to talk about the reversal. We're going to talk about the target if we have a jump, and where the big whales will come in and buy, because right now it's still retail trader who buy NAKD, not big whales. So let's get right to it and see what's going on with NAKD price. First off, let's check if we just got any news. No, we don't have any news yet. That's why the price is still consolidating. However, we have important level, which is the $3.64 is been respected as we predicted around the $3.64. And look with me, after this dip, we said it because we have updated NAKD on our Patreon here, and even on our Discord analysis for a lot of stocks. So what we said, don't buy around $4.93 because this is still not the right dip. You see, the price when it go up here, this is retail trader buying. Okay, what's mean? Retail trader buying is mean people like you and me, we just buy like 10,000, 15,000 top, or 100,000. We talk about whales. They buy by bulk. They buy by millions of shares in just one go. That's why the price jump when the whales buy, like what happened here around the last year in November. You see, this is whale movement. The price jump and never stay. From $1 go to $4 in one day. This is the whales movement buying pressure. As I said, here still retail trader buying. Here retail trader buying. Here retail trader buying. And here as well, what we want to have right now, just put notification, okay, around the $4.93, because this will be tested between the $3 and the $3.64. This should be respected for artillery and never go below. Okay, so this area here we should see a big buying pressure. This is, from my opinion, should be the last dip for NAKD until we see a test until the $4.93. This is what I see for NAKD. Should be, this is the last dip for NAKD. Otherwise we're gonna see a big gap again, and confirming that the whale is not interesting in buying NAKD at this price. Okay, this is what should trigger our interest. Price hold above the $3.30 and jump is mean it like the price is ready to reverse. When we come around the $4.93 will be the trigger for the price to go higher and higher. So as I said, have always notification for the price, have a bottom, have a kind of notification set on this target area. So when the price happen and move, you just get in. Okay, so this will be our good to go when we buy NAKD. And as I said, try to separate retail trader buying or whale buying. Big difference. You saw the difference on the chart. Know the difference. Said, let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.